The digital world has transformed our lives. Now it's transformed the way we secure our homes. Introducing the M series from Dormakaba, cloud-based digital door locks. It starts with a sleek design and modern finish, assembled with superbly engineered components of high-grade materials for long-lasting reliability. But it's the digital smarts of the M series that will truly impress. Losing your keys is literally a thing of the past. With the M series, there is simply no need for keys. A variety of unlocking methods begins with your smartphone, or program the lock for family and friends. A mobile application allows you to share a digital key. The M series from Dormakaba, transforming the way we think about home security.